Hi guys, today I'll be dealing with binary number, past question on binary number. I was solving a lot of questions on it actually. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. As we continue, we'll be posting a lot of questions. So the first question 2020 is this is the question. Evaluate 212 base 3, then 121. You see, there are two positive there. Add both positive together. 212 base 3 divided and plus 22 base 3. So you have to add these two number together and add the first row together. I've done the addition of these numbers before. We have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 3. You know, we are dealing with base 3. Now 4 divided by 3 is equal to 1, remainder 1. So, and you are going to write your remainder, you keep 1. So that's how it's, you keep that 1. Now 1 plus 2 plus the 1 you kept the other time, that's 4. So 4 divided by 3 is equal to 1, remainder of 1. You keep 1, then you write the remainder. So again we have 2 plus 2 then plus 1, which is equal to 5 divided by 3. Now we are having 1, remainder of 2. You are going to write your remainder first. Now there's no number left again. You are going to write the one you kept, and that's 1 2 1 1. That's the addition, base 3. So what you are going to do now is that subtract 121 from this number. So you will see now 1 2 1, then base 3, subtraction. So we have 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. We are going to write 0. Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So it is impossible. We have to borrow 1 from 2 to that place. So that's going to be good. So when we borrow 1 from 2, that 2 will remain 1, and that 1 will be 3 plus 1. How? Why? Because we are dealing with base 3. So it's going to be 4 minus 2, which is 2. The reason be that we are dealing with base 3. So when you borrow number from any place, it's going to be 3, and we have 1 before. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's 2. We have 1 minus 1. You know that 2 has returned to 1. That's 0. Then we have 1. So then 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So 1 0 2 0 base 3. That's our final answer for this question. Now this is another question. If x10 is equal to 23 base 5, find x. See, it's very simple. It's very simple to find. Just convert 23 base 5 to base 10. That's just what you need to do. So now let us convert 23 base 5 0 1. Now 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1. Yes, the 1 at the top of 1 at the top of the 2. 3 multiplied by 5, then raised to the power of 0. So we are going to have 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 1. So you know any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. We have 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13 base 10. So as you can see, S10 is equal to 13 base 10. So it's very simple. If y is equal to 23 base 5 plus 101 base 3, find y, leaving your answer in base 2. You see, first thing first is that these two are number in different bases. Convert them to base 10. So you have to convert them to base 10. So 23 base 5 01, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0. So this is 10 plus 3, because 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So let's move to 101 base 3. Base 3. So 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power of 1. So 3 raised to power of 2 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. This is 0. And we have 1. Because 3 raised to power of 0 is 1. 1 that's 1, though, that's 10. Base 10. So what we are going to do is y is equal to 13 base 10 plus 10 base 10. So y is equal to 23 base 10. And the question is leaving your answer in base 2. So this is base 10. You are going to convert to base 2. 23, then draw a cross. So 2 in 23 is 11, remainder of 1. 2 in 11, 5, remainder of 1. 2 in 5, 2, remainder of 1. 2 in 2, 1, remainder of 0. 2 in 1, 0, remainder of 1. So our final answer is going to be 1, 1, 1, base 2. This is another question given to us actually, 2017 question 1. So we are going to see it like this now. The question is find the base in which the following addition was performed, and the options were given to us. The options were given to us also. So what we are going to do is very simple. 2 plus 3 plus 1, that's 6. So if it is in base 8, you can write 6. If it is in base 7, you can write 6. That shows the it's not in base 7 and base 8. What you are going to do is now 2 plus 3 plus 1, that's 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1 remainder of 0. That shows it's not also in base 6. So check 5. 6 divided by 5 is equal to 1 remainder of 1. So that shows it is in what? It is in base 5. You don't need to check others because so that for you to manage your time very well, you see. Now this is another question, just the decimal that is very maybe unfamiliar with. So it's very simple. You are going to add them the same way you have been adding. Let's deal with the first two. First two, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we are dealing with base 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 remainder of 0. So you are going to write your remainder. Now we have 1 plus 1, then plus the one you kept, actually that's 3. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 remainder of 1. You are going to write your remainder. Let's move to the other side, then the decimal point. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, then plus the one you kept, that's 3. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 remainder of 1. You are going to write 1. So let's move to the other side. 1 plus 1 plus 1, the one you kept, so that's also 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 remainder of 1. So you write 1. So to the other side, 1 plus 1, then plus 1 you kept is equal to 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 remainder of 1. Just write 1. Then now we are having 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then that's equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 remainder of 0. 2 remainder of 0. So you are going to write 0 actually. So the answer you're going to write is 0. You are going to write 0. So the remainder is 2, and we are dealing with 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 remainder of 0. You are going to write remainder first, then you are going to write the number later. So that's just it. Now this is another question. Convert 27 base 10 to another number in base 3. So it's very simple to do. Just write 27 since it is in base 10. So then base 3. So how many 3 we are going to find in 27? That's 9 remainder of 3 of 0. 3 in 9 is 3 remainder of 0. 3 in 3 is 1 remainder of 0. Then 3 in 1 is 0 remainder of 1. So 1 0 0 0 base 3 is our answer actually. So convert 72 base 6 to a number in base 3. So first of all, you convert 72 base 6 to base 10. Base 6 0 1. So we have 7 times 6 raised to power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 6 raised to power of 0. So 7 times 6 is 42 plus the 6 to the power of 0 is 1. So that's 2, which is equal to 44. So base 10. We are now asked to convert into base 3. So we draw the cross 44 base 3. So 3 in 44 is 14, remainder of 2. 3 in 14 is 4, remainder of 2. So 3 in 4 is 1, remainder of 1. 3 in 1 is 0, then remainder of 1. So the answer is 1 1 2 2 base 3. So this is another Jamb question. 2q3 base 5 is equal to 77 base 8. First thing first, convert both of them to base 10. We have 2q3 base 5. So 0 1 2. So 2 times 5 raised to the power of 2 plus q multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0. So we are asked to find q. 5 raised to the power of 2 25. 25 times 2 is 50. Then that 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. 5 times q is 5q. So then that's 3. 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So this will be 53 plus 5q. So we'll be dealing with the second part. 77 base 8 0 1. So 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 0. So this is going to give us 7 times 8 is 56, then plus 7, which is equal to 63. Is equal to 63. So you are going to bring both of them together as the equation they gave to us is equal to 63. Now collect the like times. So 5q is equal to 63 minus 53. So 5q is equal to 10 divided by 5 divided by 5. Now q is equal to 2, because even 63 minus 53 is 10, so it's equal to 2. So subtract this number from this. Understand this statement very well. You subtract 16,418 from 18,630. So 18,630, then 81461. No, they are in base 9. Both of them are in base 9. So what we are going to do is, now 0 minus 8 is equal to minus 8, and we cannot write minus 8. So you have to borrow 1 from 3. When you borrow 1 from 3, it's going to 3 is going to reduce to 2, and this one will change to 9. So because we are dealing with base 9, 9 minus 8 is 1. So this one's left with 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2 also. So, and you know 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 2 2 1 1. Now this question is almost the same thing. 55 base x plus 52 base x is equal to 77 base 10. Find x. So convert both of them to base 10 first before you can do anything. So 55 base 01 x, which is equal to 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 plus 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 0. So this will give us 5 multiplied by x, that's 5x, then plus 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 0, that's 5, because x raised to the power of 0 is 1. We have 52x. So 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 plus 5, 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 0 is equal to 5x plus 2. So bring those answers together, then plus 5x plus 2, which is equal to 77 base 10. So all of them are in base 10 now. So collect the like time. We have 10x plus 7 is equal to 77 10. So 10x is equal to 77 divided minus 7 actually. So that's 7. We collect the like times. So 10x is equal to 70 divided by 10 divided by 10. So s is equal to 7. And that's